Hey everybody, it's a cold day today, but I'm finally getting around to removing my potatoes out of this bed. So let's get to it. Before we get started, I just wanted to show you that there's been some rabbits or bunnies using this garden bed as a little nesting area. You can see the little poops here, which is kind of interesting. That's okay, it's great fertilizer. Alrighty, so anytime I do potato harvests, I try to also harvest the same amount of stone out of my garden beds. Eventually I won't have to do that anymore, but one tool that I'm using is this sifter. It's just a basic frame. I like to use the thinner wood. I've used 2x4s before, but they're kind of heavy to manage. So with a frame like this, it's a lot lightweight, so you can just shake it, and then I try to separate the hay or the mulch layer from the stones, and I put the stones in a bucket, and then I'll process the stones later. Potatoes are in their own bucket, and then as you saw earlier, I was putting all of the mulch in a big pile over here. So this mulch will be put back onto this garden bed. Once I'm done making sure that all of the potatoes are out of here, I'm going to cover it up with mulch, and I might reorientate the garden bed as well. You might not be able to tell, but I actually moved this garden bed about 5 feet that way. And I pushed the wood chips back where it was. We'll see how that works out next year. Now it's time to put the mulch back on top.